Hi, this is Mrs. Earl with a short tutorial on using a slope triangle to find the slope of a line. If you remember from previous lessons, slope is the measure of rise over run of a line. That is, how far a line rises vertically over how far a line moves, the points move to the side. So let's look at this first example. We start at this point down here, and we want to end at this point down here. We're going to form a triangle, a right triangle. We're going to go up 6 and over 8. This forms a right triangle, and the slope of our line is up 6 over 8. Now 6 over 8 can be simplified just like any other fraction. Divide the top and bottom by 2 and I get 3 over 4. So in this situation, m is 3 over 4. That means up 3 over 4. Well, let's check that on the line. Let's go back to our original point, but what about this time if I just go up 3? 1, 2, 3, and over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And indeed, that point is on the line. Let's do it again. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've made another slope triangle. Now, as we know, lines continue on in both directions, so let's continue one more. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our next slope triangle, and if I lay my ruler down, you're going to see that this point is also on our line. I can continue backwards the same way down into this quadrant. I can go backwards. Instead of up 3, I'll go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And indeed, when I lay my ruler down, this point is also on the line. Now, I did say down here, for this bottom slope triangle, we went down 3 and to the left 4. So the slope here would be -3 over -4. Well, we know the line has a positive slope, and you also remember that a negative divided by a negative forms a positive, so indeed we still have a slope of 3 over 4. This is just another proof that two negatives divided make a positive. When you're choosing points to form your slope triangle, find 2 points that fall where 2 grid lines intersect. So for example, I would not want to use this point over here because it's not perfectly at the intersection of 2 grid lines. So instead, I'm going to use this point up here and this point over here. And now I'm going to form my slope triangle. Down 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, over 4. And so my slope equals -1 over 4. And if you notice, this line has a negative slope. Therefore, my slope must be negative. Now I could have looked at this line and made my slope triangle on the other side. I could have gone to the right, I could have gone up 1, which would be +1, and then left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which would be -4. And that would give me 1 over -4. And indeed, 1 over -4 is the same as -1 over 4. That's why we tend to write the negative sign kind of in the middle. And later on, when you're solving algebraic equations, you can decide whether you want the 1 to be negative or the 4 to be negative. But indeed, they are the same slope of the line. Go ahead and try the other examples.